Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Okay, you guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I normally do a full face makeup tutorial showing you guys like the latest makeup styles. But today I have to switch it up on you guys. I'm going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to talk about a new, not new, it's been around for a long time, but I'm going to talk about a low budget, like makeup product that's really trending right now. This company has really expanded themselves and they went over and beyond and created a whole foundation makeup line. So you guys, which not saying that they didn't have it before, but I think it's just really catching on right now and everybody's using it to where it's pretty much sold out in stores. So you guys, the brand that I'm talking about today is the e.l.f. makeup company, the e.l.f. makeup. So anyways, you guys, e.l.f. was not like a big trend for, any makeup or any, big makeup YouTuber to be using or even testing out or wearing on a daily basis. But now, you guys, it has become a big trend. So, your girl had to come and check it out and see what the business is about, because it is a low, extremely low budget cost, you guys. So you guys, I have picked out a few products from the e.l.f. collection to test out on my face for you guys today. So are you ready? Let's get into it, y'all. First of all, let me just start with this, you guys. The e.l.f. collection, their foundation only has 40 shades, okay? But when you go into, that's only if you order online. If you go into a store, which is a Target or Walmart or any drugstore that would actually sell the e.l.f. foundation in their whole product line, they're only gonna have a limited amount of shades. So if you do not see your shade online, you're gonna have to go, in the store, you're gonna have to order online, which is kind of hard because they're not giving out any free test swabs for you to try on your face to match with your color. So with that being said, it's a little tricky when you're purchasing their foundation because you really don't know your shade. They don't really have stores. Well, maybe they do have a store here in LA. I'm gonna check it out. They may have a store here in LA, and if so, I'm definitely gonna check it out. But they only have 40 shades, which isn't bad. That's a good amount. That means that, they will have your color. Even if you have to mix a couple of colors to make your color, they're gonna have your color. For $6, who cares? And also, you guys, for the concealer, you guys, they only have 18 shades, which is so, less. For concealer-wise, you guys, it's gonna be hard for you, especially if you're, again, specific shade. You're not probably gonna find your shade, I'm gonna be honest. So yeah. Alright, you guys, let's get into the products that I actually did purchase. And let's get into some of this product on my face so I can see if it's really all about the hype that people are talking about, because people tend to linger on and follow a trend every time a new trend comes out. So you guys, I'm going to show you guys some of the products that I did purchase. Like I said, I got more than a few. I got more than 3 items, of course, but because it's so cheap, why wouldn't you? But I didn't get like a whole box full of their merchandise because I wanted to make sure that I like the product. I don't like to put money into something that just may not be good for me. So you guys, the first thing that I thought about that I got, I don't have a primer, but that's because I have oily skin and I feel as if I just don't need to do that and have my skin weighed down, my makeup weighed down rather. So you guys, I don't use a primer, but what I have been using is a nice oil-free moisturizer to kind of help clear up the dark circles underneath my eyes. But today, you guys, I got a nice primer. This one is a spray primer, you guys. It's for oil control. So it's not like a cream. I'm actually going to spray this on my face here shortly, and I'm hoping that it will help out with the oiliness. So this one was super cheap, you guys. I don't remember the price. I will link everything that I have and put it down in the bio for you guys, and then that way you guys can click on the link and follow it. But I have the oil control primer. I have the foundation, you guys. Again, I wasn't sure about the foundation because I couldn't test it out, you guys. I couldn't test out the foundation. So what I went by is that I have a red undertone, and it says spice. It says deep with red undertones, and that's the only thing I went by. So I'm hoping that this is going to be so great for my skin and on my color because I have not a clue. You guys, I also got the 16 camo concealer, 16 hour. So you guys, this is supposed to last you 16 hours, which isn't a lot. 24 hours would be good, but okay, we're not really up for 24 hours, you know, with makeup on our face still. So 16 hour camo concealer. Again, I don't know my shade. I just literally picked up a shade that I thought would go good with me. I don't know how this is gonna work out. I also got their big highlighter. It's supposed to be like a nice like little bronzer highlighter for the cheeks, you know, so we're gonna put that on there. I did get their cream contour palette, you guys. Again, I'm not sure how this is gonna handle out. It's just all testing it. I got Stardust glitter eyeliner. That should be cute. I also, you guys, I went to grab a palette. I wanted to get a bigger palette, but they didn't have the one that I wanted at this specific store, so I grabbed this matte jewel pop palette, you guys. Hopefully this is cute. I'm actually going to do a makeup tutorial around this palette coming out Friday, so you guys stay tuned. And yeah, you guys, that's all I got. That is all I got for you guys. So let's get into this makeup. Is not bad. It's not like watery. It's not watery at all, you guys. It actually has some texture to it. It's not thin at all, you guys. It's really thick. I'm actually gonna rub it in for you guys to give you guys see that? That's not thick at all. I mean, it's not thin at all. It has texture. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the foundation, and we're going to apply it with my normal foundation brush that I'm going to use to put on my face, you guys. This foundation is not a matte foundation, so I don't know how it's supposed to play out. I heard it's supposed to be a little bit of a silky satiny, give you a nice silky satiny look, but who knows, again, it doesn't really say it. It says it on the website, but not on the actual bottle. But it's a flawless finish foundation, so you guys, we're going to try that. Strong perfumey smell, and I don't know of any makeup brands that does have that type of a smell to it. White translucent powder from e.l.f. You guys, as you guys know, I use this on a daily basis, so this is nothing new. Okay, so now we're going to go in and we're going to just sculpt our face, give us some nice definition to the face. So this is their contour palette, you guys, and there's like a lighter shade. We have like another like lighter brown tan shade. Then we have a medium, and then we have dark. Baked. It's supposed to be like a baked highlighter, you guys. Okay, so this highlighter is so solid rock. Something like a smearness here, like it's not staying on. It's super dry, you guys. I'm actually gonna do a swap on my arm. It's super dry. So this is what it looks like on my arm. I'm gonna put it on my darker part of my arm. So that's what it looks like on my arm, you guys, which is very like, very, very light. That's probably why it's not really staying on my face. I don't like this. I don't like that. Alright, you guys, so this is going to conclude my review for the e.l.f. product. I'm going to show the palette that I have, showed you guys in the beginning of the video, up here in one of these corners here, you guys, so you can see how the shadows are looking. Again, you guys, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial based off of that palette this Friday, so stay tuned for that video, you guys. So just my overall review, you guys. The concealer is a yes, like definitely do the concealer, you guys. It is amazing. It's not thin, it's not watery, it's thicker consistency, and it just lays on your skin like really, really nicely. The foundation, you guys, I'm seeing it now and it's pretty good as well. My only downfall for the foundation, you guys, is that it has a perfumey smell. I don't smell it right now, but it does have that perfume smell, so that may deter you from purchasing this product because of the smell, and you can't open it in the store and try it unless they have testers. So, you know, the foundation is pretty good, you guys. I'm going to wear it all day. Let you guys know. Eyeliner, glitter, this Stardust eyeliner glitter, actually, you guys, is super, super cute. I would definitely invest in these if you guys are able to see these. They come in several different colors. I got the white. It has like a almost like a iridescent, like pinkish tone to it, but it's super cute, you guys, and I love it. For $1.20, this is so worth it. And as well as the cream contour, you guys, I'm not really a cream person when it comes to contouring. I don't really like this palette at all. I would rather have gotten a powder form because it just doesn't like it doesn't go on nicely onto the skin. So you guys, that is my honest review for the e.l.f. products. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys go right now. Give me some thumbs up, give me likes, you guys. You guys are scrolling down on my page anyway. Go ahead and give me a like if you like the video. Also, you guys, click that subscribe button on the side and the bell so you are alerted when I do upload videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.